G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn & Watson. I'm just showing you today one of our single taper toolboxes. These are sold by the pair. We've just grabbed one for the video, but if you do choose to order one, you are going to get a left and right for that price. So we're just going to discuss this product a bit and hopefully answer any questions you may have. So this is a Dunn & Watson in-house built product we're very proud of. So it's made from 3mm aluminium. It's all folded and welded in-house as well. So plenty of security and plenty of strength out of this box. It's made with a chrome whale tail, as you can see. These handles are great because they're both key locking, which is your first phase of security, but they're also padlocking as well. So plenty of security in a box like this. What's also good about these whale tails is they're a compression handle. So as you can see, when I want to open the box, it actually releases from the lid. So when I close it, it pulls in tight. And what that's doing is that's engaging on this rubber gasket that we have on the outside. And that's ensuring that when this box is down and closed, you're getting plenty of protection from the weather, so water and dust and things like that aren't going to get into a box like this. So there you have it, the Dunn & Watson single taper toolbox.